In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for real estate management. Monday.com offers a powerful platform to streamline your real estate processes, keeping track of leads, properties, transactions, and team collaboration all in one place. Let's dive into how you can set it up efficiently. First, you want to set up your real estate boards. It's a good idea to create a board for your main workflows. For instance, you might have a leads and clients board, which helps you track new buyers, sellers, or investors. Next, consider a properties or listings board to manage all your available properties. And finally, a transactions or pipeline board to follow your deals from start to finish. It's important to give each of these boards clear, descriptive names so everyone on your team knows where to find and update the necessary information. Once your boards are set up, the next step is to add key columns that are vital for real estate operations. On your leads board, include columns such as name, phone, email, and lead source using text and drop-down or status fields. You'll also want to track interest type like buyer or seller and set a specific follow-up date. For your properties board, consider columns like address, property type, and status to see if a property is available, under contract, or sold. Don't forget to include a price column for numerical entries. Moving on to your pipeline board, connect client name to your leads board and property to your properties board. This integration helps maintain consistency. Add columns for deal stage, tracking progress from inquiry to closed, expected close date, and deal value, which can be entered in numerical form. Next, it's essential to connect your boards. Utilize the Connect Boards column to link leads, properties, and deals effectively. For example, on your pipeline board, link a client from the leads board and a property from the properties board to ensure all information is interconnected. You can also use a mirror column to automatically display data like client phone numbers or property prices for quick reference. To further enhance your workflow, look into automating follow-ups and deal tracking. Navigate to automations and add recipes such as notifying the assigned agent when a follow-up date approaches or moving items to a closed deals group once a deal stage changes to closed. Automation ensures that you don't miss out on essential tasks and maintain a smooth operation. Lastly, share your setup with your team and clients. Invite team members as users to collaborate on boards seamlessly. You can also share property boards with clients via guest access, ensuring they only see the necessary information. For offline sharing, export reports to Excel or PDF formats. By following these steps, you'll harness Monday.com's capabilities to enhance your real estate management effortlessly, providing clear organization, efficient tracking, and improved collaboration among your entire team.